Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making a chocolate brownie, but it's more like a cake than a brownie, because you know you get those brownies which have got like the middle of it's like thick toffee. Well, this is not like that. This is actually more of a cake. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is below the video in the description. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for the recipe, we want 2 to 5 grams of butter and 150 grams of chocolate. We want 225 grams of egg. We want 225 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of Castor sugar, 75 grams of cherries, and 100 grams of chocolate. Right guys, the first job we're going to do is get your oven on. Obviously this is my big oven, you'll be using your electric, and your oven temperature wants to be 180 Celsius. Guys, the first job we want to do is sieve your flour and your Castor sugar. It's just to get rid of all the lumps and the bumps and the bits and pieces that accumulate in the flour. And there we go. Right, the next job we want to do, guys, is get your butter and your chocolate. We're going to melt this down. Now we just want to get it into, so it's just melted, so it's not too hot, but it can be warm. And then what we're going to do then is let that cool down. We're now going to pop it into the microwave. And there we go, guys. All melted in nice, and it's all clear. And all we're going to do with this is let this cool down for around about 10 to 15 minutes. The next job, guys, is prepare your tin. This has got baking parchment in it, and the size tin is 22 centimeters by 32 centimeters. And that size would just be ideal for your brownie. Right, the next job we do, guys, we're going to get our egg and our mixture, our chocolate mixture. Just pour it all in. Just make sure you get all of it in. Alright, get it all in there. And now we're just going to beat this together. And just beat this together with a spoon, a wooden spoon. This would be just ideal for the job. So it's all nice mixed in. Now what we're going to do is add your flour and sugar, fruit, and just grab hold of your chocolate and just break it in like that. And then just mix it all in. Okay, guys. Okay, you got that? Right, now we've got our tray. And we're going to pour the mixture straight in. And then just spread it out. And it's as simple as that, guys. And now that's ready for the oven. Well, guys, we'll get the chocolate and cherry into the oven. It's going to bake for about 25 minutes. The oven temperature is 180 Celsius. Right, guys, I think the chocolate brownies are ready. We'll just have a quick look. Not quite ready. Wants about another 5 minutes. Right, guys, the chocolate brownie is now ready. There you go, guys. Now you're going to be wanting to leave this for around about 10 minutes, just before you take them out the tray. And you can tell it's just starting to pull away from the edges, and by pushing your finger down it's just soft enough so it should still be very moist inside. Mark up the brownie and then we'll cut them with a knife. And now we'll cut them into 12. And it's as simple as that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to tell you now, what was nice about the brownie is the fact it's a combination with the cherries and the chocolate, which really made it. And the flavour was something to die for, actually. I was quite amazed at this particular recipe. I've not used this one before. This was just one I've managed to find lying about in my mountain of recipes, and I thought I'll give it a go and see what happens. So basically I just ran with it, and that's what the results were. Anyway, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is below the video in the description. Also, do check out my playlists, and we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!